everyone. I am Revati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Technology. In my today's ET-based activity is on topology, which is under the computer network subject. Our second year AEDS students are going to act like a topology. Actually, the topology is nothing but the physical arrangements of the devices in the computer networks. They will role play on that topic, how the systems are rearranged in types of topology and how the data passed through those devices. Let me introduce our student team members are Parivanan, Kanishkar, Darun Raja, Kalyan and Harish. Who is going to explain the problem statement of today PV activity?
Problem statement of the case study, expansion of the building and the network issues. Highlights the problem, network issue, problem statement of the case study, expansion of the building and network issues. Highlights the problems, slow internet, maintenance difficulty, connection issues. Explain how importance to take the topology of efficiently, scalability and durability.
Yes, well said, Katwana. And there are so many topologies are available in computer networks. They are bus topology, mesh, star, hybrid, and tree. Here the students are available for explaining each and every topology in a activity-based manner. Kanishkar is going to explain what are all the basic types are available under topology and subcategories of topology.
Now I am going to talk about topology and the various types. Types of topology: physical topology, logical topology. Physical topology refers how device cables are connected physically. For example, device connected in straight line. Logical topology refers data flowing in manner. Logical topology refers how data flow in network. For example, data flow in link manner.
Yes, well said, Kanishkar. Now Kanishkar is going to play an activity based on type of topology.
Now I am going to talk about bus topology and star topology. Bus topology is an network structure in which all computer and device are connected via single cable is called bus or backbone. Each device is connected into a cable using drop line, and each device that transfers send data, the data travels in both directions. Easy to installation, low cost installation, reliable drawbacks. If the main cable fails, the entire network will be stopped working. And next, star topology. Star topology is a network system in which all devices are connected into the single center server called a hub with a router switch. Each node is connected into the cable in direction in one direction, travels into one direction. Reliable, easy to maintain, high cost, more cables requires. Real time code example. If a student classroom is using a central server, here the students are available for work on bus topology. It would be like a structure like bus structure is a central main cable. Usually connected device A and device B. They are sharing both networks.
These three students are like the backbone and Microsoft employs left hand side and right hand side systems. They are sharing data from backbones. Okay.
These guys are available from role and star topology. These guys are sharing information from one to another.
to implement this process. In this, each device will share information with the other devices. Consider this as the data, and I am passing this data using this topology.
Device A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. Then also from A to E and A to C and C to A and A to C. Okay, here the mobile is considered as data. It is shared all data with each other. The next topology is string topology.
In this, the data will be transferred in one direction, and it will be the device will be in the loop. And if the one device has a problem or any crash, the whole network will be stopped. Consider this as the data. In this, the last and first network device will be connected, and the data will be shared among all devices.
A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. And again you can share A to B. The data will be passed through only one direction only. The first and last system connected together.
And the next topology is hybrid topology. In this, the two or more topologies will be connected together. For example, bus and tree topology, this will be connected together. This example, for example, if in a school there are two blocks, in that we can take any 2 or 3 labs. In that each lab will contain any one topology. For example, tree, mesh, and ring topology. When we connect this topology, is known as hybrid topology.
Next is the time for application and the discussion of advantages and disadvantages and the conclusion. Who is going to explain about the real world application?
Hello everyone, I am Karan Kumar from the ADS department. I am going to explain the real world application and recommendation system. In this case, the international school, there is 3 plus new buildings with 200 plus new devices that includes computers, CCTV cameras, smart boards and Wi-Fi, and all the systems are connected within a main server in the main room. We have to build a topology that must be enabled for future expansion. The recommendation system is hybrid topology. Hybrid is nothing but the combination of 2 or more topologies. First we have star topology. The buildings are using star topology for connecting all the devices to a central switch. It is used because it is easy to initialize and failure of one system does not affect any other systems. Next is ring topology. The system, the next is topology, ring topology. Here the 3 buildings are interconnected with each other through the topology. It is used because it is efficient to connect buildings within a small distance and it reduces the cabling cost. By connecting the ring topology and the star topology, we have interconnected between the buildings and the networks, which forms a hybrid network which is reliable for future requirements.
Okay, who is going to explain about the advantages and disadvantages of topology?
Advantages of hybrid topology, disadvantages of hybrid topology. Advantages are scalable, reliable, maintenance cost, float. Advantages are scalable, reliable, easy maintenance, float advantages, maintenance, fault isolation. Disadvantages are high complex, easy. Disadvantages are high. Disadvantages are high initialization cost, complex complexity.
Hello, this is the time for conclusion. By the right choice of topology will give the reliable and efficient data communication between the devices or topology will help to communicate data without any traffic. Thank you so much for your explanation, students. Thank you.